I hate cleaning. I hate it so much. I can't even, oh, I hate cleaning. Hi and welcome back. I wanted to film something a little different today. So the first thing I did was start a load of sheets. The day before I had changed everyone's bedding, which I typically do on Sundays. So on Monday mornings, I'll throw them in the washer. Then I started on the dusting, which is my least favorite thing to do, which is why I'm getting it out of the way. Only a shot away from me to be my everything, 'cause you are only a shot away from me to be my everything. You can see I have a can of Pledge sitting out, but I only ended up using that on the table, which you'll see in a little bit. For the most part, I just use a little bit of water on a microfiber cloth. For windows and glass, I use my own glass cleaner, which is just water, rubbing alcohol, and some vanilla essential oil, and I use a coffee filter, which is really great for not leaving any streaks or debris behind.
When everything is on, we light a candle. We're breathing really slow with artists. We're waiting for the dawn with empty bottles. You turn around when I wanna kiss. I try to reach you, but that's nothing new. I know, 'cause you turn around when I wanna kiss. Oh, don't bring me waterfalls. Say what you're looking for. I'll hit you like a domino. Standing in front of you, we'll hit you like a domino. If silence what you are, then please remember, my kiss will not be hanging forever.
So you can't see it, but I'm just wiping down the chandelier with a little bit of water on the microfiber cloth. And now I'm using the Pledge to wipe down the table and chairs.
Silent when you just wanna talk. Oh, don't bring me waterfalls. Say what you're looking for. I'll hit you like a domino. Oh, open your eyes, I'll prove what's standing in front of you. We'll hit you like a domino. You once told me you had fallen in love.
using a Swiffer duster on the blinds. I turn them one way, dust them off, then turn them the other way and do the same thing.
I'll hit you like a domino. Oh, open your eyes, I'll prove what's standing in front of you. We'll hit you like a domino.
And again, I'm using a coffee filter with my homemade glass cleaner for the windows. I know it sounds weird, but I've tried paper towels, old newspaper, even microfiber cloths, and these filters just work really well.
Yeah. It's been a week already, time is flying fast. I never felt so good as far as I remember. I miss that face, I'm ready, I want more of that. I finally understood, I'm ready to surrender. Oh baby, tell me where and when. Tell me where and when. Make love all day and night again. One single look, oh girl, right there and then I just knew. Never seen somebody like you. I met you on a Wednesday night. Called you up Thursday 'cause it felt just right. We spent all Friday hand in hand real tight. Even Saturday, Sunday, then Monday and Tuesday night. Tuesday night. Sometimes I pinch myself, it could have been a dream. This is my current mood, I always will remember.
So this is what it looks like now that I've dusted and done the windows. Honestly, it looks exactly the same as it did before. This room does not get much traffic at all, and it pretty much stays clean. It never gets cluttered or messy. So I'm basically just making sure that it doesn't get covered in dust and that the blinds don't get really dirty, because I've let that go in the past and it's no fun having to do a deep clean of your blinds and windows and everything. So I do this weekly just to make sure that I keep up with it. So now it's back to the laundry room to put the sheets in the dryer, and yep, I use dryer balls.
Tuesday night, feel just right. Tuesday night, oh, feel just right. I've tried my best to concentrate, but you are always on my mind. I can hardly wait to see your face. I met you on a Wednesday night. Called you up Thursday 'cause it felt just right. We spent all Friday hand in hand real tight. Even Saturday, Sunday, then Monday and Tuesday. I met you on a Wednesday night. Called you up Thursday 'cause it felt just right. We spent all Friday hand in hand real tight.
Now for the vacuuming, and let me just say that I'm so happy with this Dyson. I've had this thing for about 2 months and I actually don't mind vacuuming now.
Just right. We spent the night together hand in hand. We spent the night together. Felt just right.
In the stillness somewhere above, the city lights, you're falling in love. Still aware, you know it is true, that you are lost and this is a clue. Love is forever, love is forever. To believe you gotta let go. Light as a feather, light as a feather. Lucid dreaming over Tokyo. Love is forever, love is forever. Gotta let go. Love is forever, love is forever.
The next thing I do is empty the dishwasher, which we usually run overnight. And once I load the dishwasher back up, I like to wash out the sink. And the last thing I do in the kitchen is wipe down the countertops. It looks like I'm using Caldre countertop spray, but I'm actually just reusing the bottle. Right now I have Mrs. Meyer's basil countertop spray in there. Also, please excuse my lopsided camera. So the last thing I'm doing this morning is folding the sheets. And look at me folding these by myself. I really should have waited for Brad to get home so he could help me, but that's okay. I got it done. So that was my Monday morning. I hope you found it motivating. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.